Hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Tech It's Simple. I hope you all are doing fine. And back with another tutorial video, which will guide you to install Google Calendar in your Android device. Google Calendar can help you to keep track of your event, scheduled meetings, and set reminders about upcoming activities. Frankly, it is a must-have application for managing personnel as well as professional schedules. You can easily share your schedules with others and create multiple calendars that you and your team can use together. If you want to operate Google Calendar on your phone, watch this video till the end without skipping, and do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now let's crush this. First of all, just make sure you have good internet connection, then get started by clicking on Google Play Store. Tap on the search box and type Google Calendar onto it, then instantly this screen will appear on your device. Then tap on the install button, which is on the right corner of your phone. Downloading might take some time if you have a poor internet connection, but keep some patience. Here Google Calendar is successfully installed. Trust me, this process is the easiest. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us the thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Comment down below for any feedbacks. I'll soon be back with more tutorial video. Till then, take care, bye bye, see you later.